Hey everyone. Ever been in that frustrating moment when your phone battery is about to die and you need it the most? We've all been there. Today, I'll share some essential tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your battery when it's running low. Stick around because these tips could be a lifesaver. Battery basics. Let's start with understanding your battery. Smartphone batteries are usually lithium-ion, designed for longevity, but they can wear down over time. Knowing how to manage your battery effectively can make a big difference. Enable power saving mode. The first and most immediate step is to switch to power saving mode. Most smartphones have this feature, which limits background activities and reduces performance to extend battery life. Turn off unnecessary features. Disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS if you're not using them. These features can drain your battery quickly. Lower screen brightness. Reducing your screen brightness can significantly save battery. If your phone has an auto brightness feature, turn it off and set the brightness manually. Close background apps. Check for apps running in the background and close those you don't need. Background apps can consume a lot of power. Limit app usage. Use only essential apps when your battery is low. Social media apps, video streaming, and gaming can drain your battery rapidly. Turn off notifications. Disabling push notifications for non-essential apps can help save power. Switch to airplane mode. If you don't need to be connected, switch to airplane mode. This turns off all wireless communications and significantly reduces battery drain. Use Wi-Fi over mobile data. If you need connectivity, use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Wi-Fi generally consumes less power. Battery health management. Regularly check your battery health in the settings. If your battery is deteriorating, it might be time to consider a replacement. Use battery-saving apps. There are several apps designed to optimize battery usage. These can help manage your phone's resources efficiently. Carry a portable charger. Always have a portable charger or power bank handy. It's a reliable solution when you're on the go and can't find an outlet. Emergency call only mode. Some phones have an emergency call only mode, which limits the phone's functionality to just making calls. Use this if you are in a critical situation and need to save every bit of power. Recap and final tips. So there you have it. Quick and